In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete bulk emails in Gmail effectively and efficiently. Whether your inbox has become overwhelming due to an influx of newsletters, promotions, or just an accumulation of unattended correspondence over time, I've got you covered with some simple steps to tidy things up. So let's dive right in, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a cleaner, more organized Gmail inbox. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Gmail website. Once you're logged into your account, direct your attention to the search bar at the top. You're going to use this handy tool to help find the specific batch of emails you want to get rid of. For instance, if the aim is to delete promotional emails, just type in Label Promotions and hit Enter. This will filter out all the promotional emails in your inbox, making it easier to sort through them. Once you've filtered the emails using the search bar, look just below it for a square checkbox icon located at the top left corner of your email list. Click on this box, and just like magic, all the emails displayed on the page will be selected. But wait, there's more. If you want to delete more than what's shown on this page, after selecting these, you'll see a line at the top that says, Select all conversations that match this search. Click on that line, and this action will select every single email within your specified category or search filter. Now, with your selection complete, it's time for the main event, deleting those emails. Look for the trash bin icon located in the toolbar above your emails and give it a click. When you do this, Gmail will pop up a small window asking if you are sure about moving all that content to the trash. Confirm by clicking OK, and just like that, those unwanted emails will make their way to the trash. At this point, while your inbox may seem clear, those emails aren't completely gone yet. They're still lingering around in your trash folder and will be permanently deleted after 30 days. If you want immediate space clearance, go to the trash folder on the left-hand side of your Gmail interface. In this folder, you'll find the option Empty Trash Now. Click on it if you want to permanently delete all the emails you've recently discarded. And there you have it. With these simple instructions, you can easily manage and clean up your Gmail inbox whenever it starts to look a little too full. Being efficient in managing digital clutter can contribute greatly to better productivity and organization in your daily life, so don't hesitate to stay on top of it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy decluttering.